Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to disable or how to turn off the Siri, the personal assistant of iPhone. If you doesn't feel that you need further help or to assist you on your phone activity, you just need to turn off the Siri. To turn off the Siri, you just need to open the settings, and now you just need to scrolling down until you found the Siri and search. You just need to go click down. To turn off the Siri, you just need to click the top line, which is the listen for. Here, go click it, and you just need to pick the last test, which is the off. So you're done. Now you will not gonna so whenever you say Siri, hi Siri, the system will not gonna run for you because you already turned off the Siri. So that is the way how to turn off the Siri on your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let see you for the next tutorial.